Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I'm here to talk to you about some resistance bands from 3DActive. One thing that I love about these bands is that you get everything in the box that you need, including a diagram with lots of different options so you can use these in your exercise. These bands are a very thick, easy to work with rubber. Each of the colors represents a different resistance. I also like that it comes with the handles that you would need to be able to use these for gripping and an ankle strap. So you can use these even without hooking it up to your door. You can use it while you're doing standing exercises along with that weighted chair. The kit also comes with a really nice bag that you can keep everything in so you don't have to worry that they're going to become a big pile of mess in your room. And you can often switch these out and combine them so that you can even have multiple amounts of resistance if you need it. This is a great set so that you can do some home workouts without taking up a lot of space. I love the capabilities that these resistance bands give you so that you can get the perfect all over body workout. And that's my point of view.